In this video, we're diving into whether Storebuild.ai or Hostinger's website builder is the better pick for launching your online store fast, without all the tech headaches. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and build your e-commerce brand without wasting time or money. So if you've been wondering which of these platforms is actually worth using, or if one of them is gonna leave you frustrated and stuck, let's break it all down. The real problem. Starting an online store is overwhelming. Let's be real. Starting your first e-commerce store sounds fun until you're staring at a blank website, trying to figure out themes, product descriptions, SEO, payment setup, and a million other things that you didn't know you had to care about. That's where platforms like Storebuild.ai and Hostinger's website builder come in. They're both promising to help you launch faster, easier, and cheaper, but they go about it very differently. So let's start by getting to know each one. What is Storebuild.ai? Storebuild.ai is basically a fast lane pass to setting up a Shopify store. You answer a few questions, choose your niche and color scheme, and boom, Storebuild spins up a Shopify store for you with 20 plus products, product descriptions, images, a theme, and even ad copy. Think of it like telling ChatGPT to build me a clothing store, and in 10 minutes, you're editing product listings and connecting your Stripe account. Key features are that it works directly with Shopify. It includes 20 winning products using Zendrop, SEO optimized product descriptions written by AI, ad copy and email marketing templates are included, and there's no design or coding needed. Now, it's free to use, you just pay for Shopify. It's like e-commerce on autopilot, especially helpful if you've never done this before and you don't want to deal with design decisions or research. So what is a Hostinger website builder? So Hostinger's website builder is more like a traditional drag and drop website tool, but with an AI twist. It's bundled with Hostinger's web hosting, which is super affordable. And it includes AI tools that help you build your site faster, whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or a full-on e-commerce store. The key features include built-in hosting and a free domain, smart drag and drop builder, AI tools for content, product info, SEO, and blog posts. You can sell up to 600 products, there's no transaction fees, and it starts at $2.99 a month. You can either start with one of their 160 plus templates or let the AI builder create something based on your answers. It's not just a website builder. It's kind of an all-in-one for people who want a website, some AI tools, and an e-commerce store without paying Shopify prices. Ease of use. How beginner-friendly are they? Storebuild.ai. This one's a no-brainer. If you can click buttons and type your name, you can use Storebuild. You just pick a niche like clothing, pets, or tech, choose a color and a banner, link your Shopify account, click a few more buttons, and suddenly you have a store that looks like it took someone hours to build. It's perfect if you've never built a store before and you just want something done for you fast. Hostinger. Now, Hostinger's setup, it's not hard, but it's not quite as instant. You still have to pick a template, customize the layout, drag in your products manually, and fine-tune things like your store's colors, fonts, and branding. Now, that said, the AI assistant and their step-by-step checklist do a really great job of walking you through the process. If you like having some creative control, but you still want help, Hostinger is probably a better fit. E-commerce tools. What can you actually sell? Storebuild.ai. This is built specifically for e-commerce. You're starting on Shopify, which means you get access to everything that Shopify offers. Payment processors, apps, inventory tracking, shipping integrations, all of it. The catch? You're limited to Shopify's free trial plus 1 month per plan for the first 3 months at first. And once the automation's done, you'll need to manage your store like any Shopify user would. Also, the products that it adds are from Zendrop, so it's built with drop shipping in mind, and it's great for testing product ideas, running ads fast, or building a low-risk side hustle. Hostinger. So with Hostinger, you can sell up to 600 products on the business plan, which only costs $379 per month. You can access Stripe, PayPal, and 100 plus payment methods. You can set up shipping zones and taxes, manage orders and inventory, enable abandoned cart recovery, add appointment booking or donation options, but it's missing some Shopify style features like subscriptions, bundles, or a robust app store. So the bottom line, Hostinger is great for simple stores. Think local businesses, digital products, or physical goods with straightforward catalogs. Now the AI tools, which one saves you the most time? So Storebuild.ai, this is the most hands-off AI experience that we've seen. It generates your full Shopify store layout, product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, suggested keywords. There's no prompt prompt engineering required. It just does it. It's basically a shortcut if you want to skip all the hard parts of starting an e-commerce brand. Hostinger. So Hostinger's AI tools are more extensive, but also more hands-on. You can use AI to write blog posts up to 2,000 words, create product descriptions, edit and rewrite text, generate SEO tags, build entire pages or full WordPress websites, and they even have Hostinger Reach, which is a built-in AI email tool to write and send newsletters. They also have a background remover and image generator too. But most of the best tools are locked behind the business plan, and some features use up credits that you'll need to buy more of later. Still, for around $3 to $4 a month for the platform, it's pretty stacked. Templates and design. Who looks better? Storebuild.ai. So your design options here are limited, but they're not bad. You choose a banner and a color scheme up front, and then the final result is clean, simple, and professional. It's not highly customizable, but the end result looks decent, and it works well for product-focused stores. Just don't expect a lot of design freedom. It's good enough. That being said, you can always go in and customize your store inside Shopify if you feel comfortable doing that. Hostinger. Hostinger gives you 160 plus templates, including e-commerce ready ones. You can drag and drop sections, snap elements into place with the smart grid, and even personalize templates with AI. It's surprisingly flexible, kind of a mashup of Squarespace's aesthetics with Wix's editing freedom. So if design matters more to you and you want a little control, Hostinger has a slight edge. SEO and marketing. Can anyone find your store? Storebuild.ai. So SEO is baked into the platform. It creates product descriptions and metadata that are optimized to rank. You can also connect analytics and run Google or Facebook ads right away. But most of the heavy lifting happens during setup. You won't get ongoing SEO help unless you take over manually. Hostinger. Hostinger goes deeper here. You get mobile optimized pages, fast loading speeds, seriously, 1 second load time. You get meta title and description editors, AI SEO assistant on the business plan, Google Search Console and analytics integration. Now, it's not quite a full-blown SEO platform, but for beginners, it hits most of the important stuff. Also, their blog tools are legit. If content is part of your e-commerce strategy, that's a huge bonus. Pricing breakdown. So, Storebuild.ai is free. It just requires a Shopify account. And if you use the link down in the description, you can get started with Shopify just by entering your email address, and you can get a 3-day free trial to Shopify. And then after that, your first 3 months are just $1 per month. So for about, 3 months and 3 days, you're gonna go ahead and be able to access Shopify for only $3. And again, Storebuild.ai is free. You just use it and it builds your store, and then you can edit it. So after those first initial months, this is what Shopify costs. So if you pay monthly, it's gonna be more expensive, but you can save 25% if you pay annually. And hopefully those first 3 months will be able to give you a taste of kind of what you're in for. I would encourage you to pay annually so you can go ahead and save some money there. But if you pay monthly, their basic plan is $39 per month, the Grow plan is $105 per month, and the advanced plan is $399 per month. Now, Hostinger, on the other hand, is extremely affordable. While yes, it's maybe more hands-on, you're going to save a lot of money using Hostinger. So if you use the link down below in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you can choose between the premium, the business, and the cloud startup plan. For most of you watching, and if this is your very first e-commerce store, the premium or business is going to be more than enough. I guess if you want something to grow into, the business plan is perfect for that. But for this example, we'll just go ahead and show you the premium plan. So all you do is just click on choose plan, and then you just need to select your term. So you can choose 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Obviously, the more you commit to, the better price you're going to get. So we'll go ahead and just select 12 months for this option, and you can see it goes from $299 to $399 a month. If I choose the longer option, it'll be better than that. Now, one more thing you want to do is come here to the coupon code area and type in code StartupWise and click apply, and that's going to save you even more money. So for only $43.09, you're going to get a full year to Hostinger. Now, renewal jumps to $11.99 per month on the hosting plan, so that's just something to be aware of. So Hostinger's pricing starts lower, but once the renewal hits, it creeps up. Storebuild is technically free, but it requires a Shopify plan to function. So depending on how serious you are about e-commerce, one might be cheaper long-term than the other. So which one's better for e-commerce? Let's sum it up. Choose Storebuild.ai if you're a total beginner and you want the store done for you. You want to test dropshipping products fast. You're already planning to use Shopify anyway. You value speed over customization. Now choose Hostinger if you want full control of your site, if you're selling physical or digital products in a small shop. If you want integrated hosting, SEO, SEO, blogging, and design tools. If you're on a budget and you don't need advanced e-commerce features. So both platforms make it easier than ever to launch your store, just in two very different ways. Storebuild.ai is like a Shopify rocket booster. It skips the entire setup process and gives you a live store within 10 minutes. Hosting, on the other hand, gives you more flexibility, deeper AI tools, and a real sense of ownership, but you'll need to do more of the work yourself. So if you're trying to move as fast and see if e-commerce is for you, Storebuild.ai is a great place to start. If you're ready to build something with a bit more long-term control and structure, Hostinger's website builder gives you that without breaking the bank. And if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.